After you launch your online campaign, you can navigate to your Girl Scout dashboard to manage your fall product program. You can enter order card sales for nuts and candies. You can add additional emails to family and friends asking them for support. You can view sales reports to track your progress. You can also download personalized door hangers, business cards, and you can even upload a campaign video. You can check on your personalized patch. You can update your avatar. You could see your avatar's room and rewards. You can also track your progress as you earn physical rewards throughout the program. You can share your site. You can manage your account. You could also update your profile. Also, you can track your progress towards earning or meeting your goals. You'll see how your progress is working towards earning patches as well as your personalized patch. If you need to make an update to that personalized patch prior to it being earned, click the pink personalized patch button or click the personalized patch link from your dashboard. Here you can make a choice for your personalized patch's background, such as wetsuit with snorkel gear or wetsuit with paddleboard. You can wear whatever clothing attire you have your avatar in. You'll need to slide the toggle here to confirm that you're good with your settings and make sure you've entered your shipping address. These patches will be kicked out as they are earned and sent to production. Once your patch is earned, you won't be able to make any more changes. So make sure you slide that toggle and save the information to your profile. For physical rewards, these are rewards that will be delivered to you from your Troop Fall Product Program Manager. So you can see all the things that you could earn in your Fall Product Program, and as you earn each item, a green banner will appear across the top. You may have some items that a choice would be required for. If that's the case, you'll see the Action Needed banner here. Just click the pink Make a Choice button, and you'll be able to make your selection for whichever reward you choose from the options provided by your council. You'll also notice up here that you can shop your personalized storefronts. By clicking this link, you'll be navigated to your choices, magazines, and/or nuts and chocolates. As long as the site is still open for online girl delivery items, you'll have a choice. You can save on shipping costs by ordering and paying for items that match your order card, or if you'd like the convenience of having items shipped to you, you can click the link here. Shipping charges will apply. If I want to see my sales reports, I simply click the link from the dashboard. The All Sales Report, there are different tabs across that break out your sales by channel. The All Sales Report will show you every item that has been sold or entered into the system. You'll want to make sure that at the end of your program, you click on the Online Nuts Girl Delivered tab. That's going to give you your report. It's like your virtual order card. It's going to give you the report of which customers have bought from you and give you the information to contact them so that you can make your deliveries once you have the products from your troop leader. Your avatar will also be earning rewards while you earn real physical rewards. You can click into your room and you can see the different rewards that you've earned for completing different parts of the fall product program. You can also view your troop or group photo. This will be the place where you can see not only your avatar, but the avatars of all of your fellow troop members as well as your troop leader. Back on the dashboard, remember, you'll need to enter your order card sales by the deadline provided to you by your council. Make sure you enter the total amount of products sold by product variety from your order card. Without entering this information, you won't receive the products that you may have sold in person. If you have trouble accessing the system, please be sure to see your troop leader because that person will help you get your orders entered into the system. We also have the Share My Site functionality. This will allow you to text or with family and friends the link to support you or share on Facebook and/or Twitter. Hopefully you have a great time participating in the Fall Product Program.